Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach how to remove a noise from an audio or video. Normally if you are capturing some video or audio, you may find some noises present in that audio. So we are going to remove that with the help of this software Audacity. Open this. Then open the file you want to remove the noise. Okay. So I will play this audio. You can find that some fan noise present in that audio. Hello, this is Subhash from Falcon Informatic. Thanks for watching. You can see there is a fan noise inside that audio. So I am going to remove that. First you need to select where the noise is present. So this is the noisy region. Okay. So what I am going to do is, first step, go to effect, then noise reduction. You need to click get noise profile. This is the first step. Okay. So after that I am going to press Ctrl+A. I am selecting all the audio files. So the reason behind that is I am going to remove that noise throughout that video. So I am going to remove that noise in that full video. So if you want to remove that noise only in a particular region, you need to select only that particular region. Okay. So I'm going to select all the region. I want to remove that noise. Then go to effect. Again go to noise reduction. Then you need to click OK. So after that your noise will be reduced. You can see that changes. Hello, this is Wash from Falcon Informatic. So if you want to remove again that deeper noises, means again select that noises, go to effect, noise reduction, get noise profile. Then I am going to remove that noises from all part of my audio. Select Ctrl Alt, then go to effect, then go to noise reduction, again OK. So once you did this, your noise will be removed completely from your audio. I can play this. Hello, this is Wash from Falcon Informatic. Thanks for watching. You can find there is no noises. So if you want to download this or export this audio, go to File. Here you need to select Export as MP3. Then need to give the sources. I'm going to give in downloads name remove noise. Okay. Then click OK. So minimize this. Go to File Manager, Downloads. You can see. Hello, this is Wash from Falcon Informatic. Thanks for watching. So this is the audio, the noise I removed from my original audio. Now I am going to play that original audio. Hello, this is Subhash from Falcon Informatic. So you can find the background noises in my original audio, but it is removed by the help of that Audacity software. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.